We've all been there. You're ready to hit the road, turn the key, and nothing. The silence is deafening and frustration sets in. A non-starting car can be a real headache, but fear not. In this comprehensive guide, we'll unravel the mystery behind why your car won't start and provide you with a roadmap to troubleshoot and get back on the road. 1. The initial assessment. Before delving into the intricacies, take a moment to assess the situation. Is there any clicking sound when you turn the key? Does the engine crank but fail to start, or is there complete silence? This initial observation can guide you towards potential issues. Check the basics. Often overlooked but crucial. Ensure your car is in park or neutral for automatic transmissions and clutch depressed for manual transmissions. Also, verify that the battery terminals are clean and securely connected. A loose connection might be the culprit. 3. The battery conundrum. A common cause of a non-starting car is a weak or dead battery. Check the battery voltage with a multimeter. It should ideally be around 12.6 volts. If it's below 12 volts, a recharge might be in order. If the battery is old, it might be time for a replacement. 4. Ignition. System inspection. A malfunctioning ignition system could be the culprit. Check the spark plugs for wear and replace if necessary. Additionally, inspect the ignition coil, distributor, and spark plug wires for any signs of damage. 5. Fuel system evaluation. Ensure your car is getting the fuel it needs. Listen for the fuel pump when you turn the key. If you don't hear it, there might be an issue with the fuel pump or its relay. Check the fuel filter for clogs and inspect fuel injectors for any signs of malfunction. 6. The mystery of the starter. If you hear a clicking sound but the engine doesn't crank, the starter might be the issue. Check for loose connections and corroded cables. A faulty starter solenoid or motor might need replacement. Troubleshooting a non-starting car can be like solving a puzzle, but armed with these steps, you'll be well on your way to identifying and resolving the issue. Remember safety first. If you're unsure or uncomfortable, it's best to seek professional help. Empower yourself and fellow drivers by sharing this guide. If you found these tips helpful, subscribe for more insightful content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a troubleshooting tip. Together, let's keep everyone's engines running smoothly. Safe travels!